does that every now and then, but she's usually home by now. We're getting a little worried.
Oh, we're writing a objective. Oh, we're writing a... You have to change me back. I don't like being a bear. He's beating us out of house and home. Okay, hang on. Oh no, I used up all my energy. What, you mean you can't change me back? I don't need 2 Prince Charmings.
We don't want to be the poor bears.
My baby. Everyone should just be quiet a moment.
Wait, stop! This has gone on long enough.
Who are you?
FBI.
FBI.
Fairy Tale Believers Incorporated. I'm Agent Grimm. This is Agent Anderson, and this is Agent Rackham.
Fairy Tale Believers Incorporated? I've never heard of you.
We believe fairy tales and nurse terms already left the door.
I'm sorry, I only wanted to help.
The script, please. Let's see now. Miss Muffet first. Okay, Cinderella with only 1 prince.
Thank you so much, sir.
Goldilocks and the Four Bears will never be accepted. I'll read about what you see. That's your book.
Thanks so much.
Okay, we're done here.
Hey, what about me?
Oh, right.
My toes are killing me.
Okay, all done.
I hope you learned a lesson in Spider-Man.
I didn't think my school still had a pen. I don't want to be here. I don't want my grandchildren to see them.
But don't you remember?
Remember what? What did my say?
He kills the wolf.